Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Tessel Tutor. Today, we have an exciting lesson for beginners as we dive into the wonderful world of adjectives. Adjectives are the colorful paintbrushes of language, helping us describe people, places, things, and even emotions. In this video, we'll learn what adjectives are, how they work, and how to use them to add detail and vividness to our sentences. Let's learn English. First, let's understand what adjectives are. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They give us more information about people, places, things, or ideas. Adjectives make our sentences more interesting and help us express ourselves clearly. For example, instead of saying, "I have a car," you can say, "I have a red car," where red is the adjective describing the car. Adjectives come in various types, and today we'll explore a few common ones. Descriptive adjectives. These describe the characteristics of nouns, such as color, size, shape, and more. Possessive adjectives. These show ownership or possession. Demonstrative adjectives. These point to specific things and help us indicate which one we're talking about. Let's start with descriptive adjectives, which describe the characteristics of nouns. She has a big red balloon. The house is tall and white. Possessive adjectives show ownership or possession. They help us answer the question, whose is it? This is my bike. Her bicycle is blue. Demonstrative adjectives help us indicate which thing we are talking about. They include words like this, that, these, and those. I like this ice cream. Those shoes are nice. Using adjectives is like adding details to a picture. It makes your sentences more vivid and helps others understand what you're talking about. Adjectives come before nouns. For example, a happy dog. You can use more than one adjective in a sentence. For instance, a small brown suitcase. Let's address a couple of common mistakes learners make when using adjectives. Common mistake. 1. Misplacing adjectives. Be sure to place adjectives before the noun they describe. Correct. She bought a beautiful dress. Incorrect. She bought a dress beautiful. Common mistake. 2. Overusing adjectives. Avoid overusing adjectives. Sometimes simple and clear sentences are the best. Correct. The cat is cute. Incorrect. The very cute small cat with a long tail is adorable. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll give you a sentence, and you can find the adjective. That sunset is beautiful. This movie is confusing. My flowers are in the garden. Great job, beginners. You've taken the first step in exploring the world of adjectives. Keep practicing activities with the Tessel Tutor app at tesseltutor.ca. And you'll become a master at adding detail and vividness to your English. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ESL content. If you have questions or need further practice, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!